course I would. Discovered new places wherever I could. It's all that's out there for people to see. But now I know where I wanna be. Would you like to come with me? To share with me what I can't see. The world's so small, peaceful and calm. All the problems are somewhere far.
Einen guten Start in den Alltag und wir sagen vielen Dank. Machen Sie es gut. Tschüss und auf Wiedersehen. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Berlin. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has reached its final parking position and the fasten seatbelt signs above you have been switched off. Thank you. On behalf of Tuifly, Flight Captain Junghans and his entire crew, we would like to say goodbye to you now. We hope you have enjoyed flying with us and you had a pleasant stay on board, and we wish you now a safe and